Hello beautiful people, this is Nandini Anand. Welcome to my channel Fashion and Lifestyle. Hey guys, today in my video I am going to show you styling of black kurta. As you all know that black color is quite in trend, and like black color goes with many other outfits and many other bottoms or scarves or dupattas. So to style a black kurta, I have picked up full long sleeve mirror work embroidered gold thread embroidered kurti. So I'm going to style this kurta with various bottoms, dupattas, and maybe skirts and palazzos, crop pant, leggings, and various things. I'm going to show you that how you can style black kurta in various different ways, how you can wear this for different occasions, and how you can look simply gorgeous just by styling it in a very basic way, or maybe styling it in a totally different way. So I'm going to show you various styling which you can actually create wearing a kurta. So let's get this video started. For style number 1, I've kept the kurti very basic, pairing it up with black leggings. And I'm also wearing a tacky earring which is going well with the kurti. In style number 2, I have paired this black kurti with a batik palazzo. The palazzo has a dull gold batik print and it is going well with the kurti. Some color combinations stand test of time through trends. Black and red is a classic color combo. So here I have paired the black kurti with a red tussar dupatta which also has a zari border, and I am also wearing a red Patiala pant. So giving this kurti a Patiala suit look. You can try this vibrant combination for night parties. I'm wearing a black beaded sandal which is really complementing the kurti. Here I've paired the black kurti with a gold color crop pant, giving it a casual look. And now to give it a party wear look, I have added a gote embroidered pale yellow dupatta for this kurti. Since the dupatta is a pastel color, you can also try this look during the daytime. I'm also wearing a nice statement earring which is going well with the dupatta. Now to make the black kurta look more attractive and colorful, I am wearing a dark pink color leggings, and I have paired the kurti with the lahariya dupatta which is also having a mirror work. So green and pink is adding more charm to the entire look. Now how about pairing this kurti with a silk skirt? So I have paired this kurti with a mustard color silk skirt which is also having a mirror work at the bottom hem. Now in this style I've also added a dupatta which is going really well with the skirt, giving it a wedding party look. How about pairing the skirt with a red tussar dupatta? You can choose to wear the pale color yellow dupatta for the day function and the red dupatta for the night parties. I'm also wearing a very nice tacky earring, adding a style statement for the entire look. Since this is a mirror work kurti, the earring is really complementing the entire look. In my last style, I've tried something different. I've tucked the kurti inside my skirt. The kurti is now actually looking like a long sleeve black color blouse, which is also having a mirror work on the neckline and a placket at the front. So it is actually looking like a ghagra choli. You can easily try this look and hardly anybody could make out that you're wearing a kurti inside the skirt. So guys, hope you like my styling of black kurta. I am sure you're going to try this with your black kurtis with different bottoms or different scarves or dupattas, and try it on various occasions. And I'm sure you're going to dazzle and look very gorgeous. Please do let me know in comments that how you like this styling, and please do subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. Stay tuned with fashion and lifestyle. Do not forget to click on the bell icon to get further notifications on my latest videos. Thank you. Take care. Bye.